Add your oil drain now. Finish draining the oil. Checking your suspension links. I'm just giving you a visual, but I will obviously physically check them. CV joints look nice. CV joints look okay. CV joint look alright. That CV joint look alright. No oil leaks. Just drain the oil now. New oil filter. Same like original. And I'm going to check the brakes and the control arm bushes. Let's have a look at these bushes. So you see there, slight tears in the lower control arm bushes, but nothing to worry about. Like tomorrow, don't have to worry about it. It's not something to lose sleep over. See there, in the corners. This is why I do what I do. You see all the stuff I had to strip off, this pipes, this filter, all the stuff. I want to show you attention to something. I'm still going to look inside there. There's cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4 spark plugs now. And this is how it came out. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see this one has got a bit of rust on number 4. So water went in there. It doesn't mean that there's water going up from the engine. I think that it's probably the coil. Where's number 4's coil? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. See, this one is brown on it. That one's not brown. That one's not brown. That one's not brown. Which means there's water maybe seeped in there. Maybe there's a rubber's finish. Can you see why service is so important to do? You would have never known that. One day your car would have just misfired. And these plugs are toast. Look at that tip is finished. Where's a new plug? Yeah, I can see the new plug. So that's what a new plug looks like. Beautiful, pretty. You see that tip on top? That is actually the plug. Just the tip. See this tip? It's gone. You see there's only the second part. You see there's two pieces here on the tip. Just get a zoom. You see there? That top piece is weg on that plug. So like I told you, it's finished. That's why I'm glad we did the proper service. But yeah, this water thing, I'm going to check out where it came from. Maybe it came from the top. It ran in there. That's what it looks like. But I'm going to flash in here and just see what is, put a flash on and just see what is going on there. Yeah, by me, I'm going to find everything, bruh. That is the one. I'll charge my phone now. Anyways, I don't know if you can see this, but this pipe here have a small cut in it. I don't think it will be a problem, but it will be better to get a new one. It's very common little piece of rubber pipey. A little cut there. Don't know if you can see it because my camera flash is off. But anyways, this little pipey, no? And then that coil number 4 that I showed you for the wet inside, it might need a suppressor rubber. So just that too for now. Everything else looks okay. The alternator belt, it looks okay. I'm going to check it properly with the light again and just go through everything again. Yep, there's your evidence. 06, 07, 2016, 16 cents for the year. At 0947 this fuel filter was manufactured. We're now in 2023. 4 years, 7 years. This thing is genuine, it's quiet. That's why I say, yeah, it's quiet because it's genuine, but it's not quiet if the stuff isn't replaced. You know how much dirt came out of here? The fuel was black, like dark brown, like very bad. So that's why I'm very happy. That's why I always like to do a big service, because those dealers, they'll never do it. That validates what I told you about the service plan. You think they're gonna do this? They'll never. It's too expensive. There you have it, sir. It's probably difficult to see that, you know, this is the old filter. I don't know if it was ever replaced. Here's a new one. See, everything I did on this car in the service was absolutely necessary, not even unnecessary, not even maybe. The air filter also is in the bin, also in his chops. These guys are assholes, bruh. I'm just showing you what I find. I'm not trying to demoralize and trying to say I'm quiet. The proof is in the pudding. There you can see. Oh, there you got your full diagnostic. I'm running around. Okay, so you have a couple of faults. Nothing on the engine, nothing on ABS. Aircon, there's a fault on your aircon system. Remember, none of this means that your car is going to break and all that. I don't want you to. I know you're a little bit finicky like me. There it says function limitation due to compressor. Shut off requested by engine. I wouldn't worry about these things unless you feel your aircon isn't working properly. Maybe need a regas. Maybe the compressor is running low on gas. I would recommend that. At least every second service. The principle is you must regas your car every service. That's supposed to be happen now. Look, is VW even asking you? Did they even ask you? Turn switch signal, implausible signal. Okay, it's working for now. The lights, if you see that the indicator don't work, then it might be the switch that's faulty. Sometimes if the battery also run flat, these faults come up, so don't pay too much attention on it. It's all about if it happens. Supply voltage too low, that means your battery might, your engine, your car battery itself might be on its way. But like I said, don't stress about these unless it bother you, because they're not like major faults. Microphone for your hands-free, whatever. Okay, so you see there is some faults, nothing to lose sleep over. We're just going to clear them all, and if anything stays behind, we know it's a permanent fault. So let's see. You can just monitor it from here again and see, or if anything comes up in the future. Okay,